Ladies and gentlemen, gather around and prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey into the exhilarating world of stocks and financial wizardry. Welcome to Stock Marketpedia, where the stock market meets showtime. Let's kickstart this electrifying adventure together and redefine what it means to be the stock market superstar. So without further ado, hit that play button, fasten your seatbelts, and let the financial extravaganza begin. Get ready for a wild ride because Stock Marketpedia is here to rock your world. In the world of investing, Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway portfolio stands out as one of the most closely followed and analyzed. When Buffett's company starts buying up stock in a particular company, people take notice. For those eager to learn about investing, studying the investment decisions of great investors like Buffett can provide valuable insights and improve our own investment skills. During the first quarter of 2023, Berkshire Hathaway made several notable stock purchases, and in this video, we will delve into 6 of these new additions. Berkshire Hathaway recently made an addition to its portfolio by investing in Celanese, a multinational corporation specializing in chemicals and specialty materials. Celanese's extensive range of products finds applications across various industries, including automotive, construction, and energy storage, making it an appealing investment opportunity. While investing in chemical companies may require specific expertise, Berkshire Hathaway's investment team, led by individuals like Todd Combs and Ted Weschler, possesses the necessary knowledge and experience to evaluate and capitalize on such opportunities. Celanese stands out as a global leader in the chemical industry, offering a wide array of products with diverse applications. Its presence in industries such as automotive, construction, and energy storage highlights the company's ability to cater to different sectors and leverage its expertise to meet market demands. Celanese's chemicals and specialty materials play a vital role in enhancing the performance and functionality of various end products, making them indispensable components in several manufacturing processes. Ally Financial. Berkshire Hathaway's inclusion of Ally Financial in its portfolio highlights the company's interest in a diverse range of banking and automotive financing services. Ally Financial is renowned for its digital direct bank, which encompasses various offerings such as online banking through Ally Bank and automotive financing solutions. The company's commitment to digital banking and its broad array of services making it a fitting addition to Berkshire Hathaway's investment philosophy. Ally Financial has positioned itself as a leader in the digital banking space. Through its online banking platform, Ally Bank, the company provides customers with convenient and user-friendly banking experiences. By leveraging technology and innovative solutions, Ally Financial has successfully created a digital banking environment that resonates with consumers seeking modern and efficient financial services. In addition to its banking services, Ally Financial excels in the automotive financing sector. The company offers a comprehensive range of financing options, catering to both individual consumers and automotive dealerships. This diversified approach allows Ally Financial to capture a significant market share in the automotive financing industry and generate substantial revenue from this segment. Berkshire Hathaway's decision to include Ally Financial in its portfolio underscores the company's interest in a diverse range of banking and automotive financing services. Ally Financial's strong presence in digital banking, coupled with its comprehensive suite of offerings, makes it an appealing choice. Additionally, the company's low price-to-earnings ratio and focus on digital innovation align with Berkshire Hathaway's investment philosophy of identifying undervalued assets with long-term growth potential in the evolving financial landscape. McKesson. Berkshire Hathaway's decision to invest in McKesson, a global pharmaceuticals distributor, highlights the company's keen interest in the healthcare sector. McKesson's operations encompass distribution services, medical supplies wholesaling, and technology solutions, enabling the company to achieve a remarkable revenue of $264 billion in 2021. In a market where numerous stocks experience declines, McKesson's strong performance distinguishes it from the rest. The investment in McKesson aligns with Berkshire Hathaway's strategic focus on healthcare-related investments. By choosing McKesson, Berkshire Hathaway recognizes the essential role that pharmaceutical distribution plays in the healthcare ecosystem. McKesson's expertise in efficiently distributing medications and medical supplies ensures that vital products reach patients, hospitals, pharmacies, and other healthcare providers in a timely manner. This critical function contributes to the company's substantial revenue and positions it as a key player in the pharmaceutical distribution industry. Paramount Global. Paramount Global, a media company, has entered Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio with a substantial stake valued at $2.6 billion. Paramount operates across 3 key segments: cable networks, TV entertainment, and film entertainment. While the company faces challenges due to the growing dominance of digital streaming platforms, its diversified content distribution and potential for adaptation make it an intriguing investment for Berkshire Hathaway. Paramount's primary reliance on cable networks possess a significant challenge in an era where digital streaming platforms have gained immense popularity. The traditional cable model is facing disruption as consumers increasingly opt for on-demand streaming services. However, Paramount's ability to navigate the shifting landscape and adapt its content distribution strategies will be crucial for its long-term success. Despite the challenges, Paramount offers several promising aspects that captured Berkshire Hathaway's interest. The company possesses a diverse range of content distribution channels, including cable networks, which still have a substantial viewership base. This diversified approach allows Paramount to reach a broad audience and generate revenue from multiple sources. The investment in Paramount aligns with Berkshire Hathaway's strategy of identifying companies with solid fundamentals and long-term potential. By entering the media industry, Berkshire Hathaway recognizes the enduring demand for quality content and entertainment experiences. While the industry undergoes transformation, Paramount's strong brand recognition, extensive content library, and ability to adapt to changing consumer preferences position it favorably for future success. Markel, often referred to as the baby Berkshire, shares many similarities with Warren Buffett's conglomerate, Berkshire Hathaway. Like Berkshire Hathaway, Markel operates primarily in the insurance industry, generating profits that are then invested in a diverse portfolio of stocks and wholly owned businesses. This investment approach closely mirrors Buffett's strategy of deploying capital to generate long-term returns. Despite its smaller market capitalization when compared to Berkshire Hathaway, Markel's size can actually work to its advantage in terms of growth potential. As a smaller company, Markel has greater flexibility and agility in identifying and pursuing investment opportunities. When a highly promising business becomes available for acquisition, the impact on Markel's overall market cap can be substantial, leading to significant growth for its shareholders. The similarities between Markel and Berkshire Hathaway extend beyond their investment strategies. Markel's portfolio of businesses spans various industries, much like Berkshire Hathaway's diverse range of subsidiaries. These businesses include commercial real estate firms, luxury handbag companies, construction equipment manufacturers, home builders, and even the largest producer of houseplants globally. In 2021 alone, Markel's non-insurance businesses generated approximately $3.7 billion in revenue. It's worth noting that Markel's market capitalization is significantly smaller than that of Berkshire Hathaway. While Berkshire Hathaway's market cap exceeds $700 billion, Markel stands at around $19 billion. This discrepancy allows Markel to potentially achieve faster growth rates as it can more readily deploy capital into businesses or stocks that have a substantial impact on its overall value. Citigroup. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway portfolio has added Citigroup to its holdings, making it the first stock on the list. The purchase of 55.2 million shares, valued at approximately $2.53 billion, indicates that Citigroup aligns with Buffett's circle of competence. Buffett has long emphasized the importance of investing in companies that one thoroughly understands, and he has demonstrated his deep knowledge of the banking industry through his substantial investments in banks like Bank of America. Citigroup's appeal to Berkshire Hathaway lies in its low price-to-book ratio and attractive price-to-earnings ratio. These metrics suggest that the stock may be undervalued, presenting a potential opportunity for growth and favorable returns. Buffett has historically favored value investing, seeking out companies that are trading at a price below their intrinsic value. Citigroup's financial standing and market position likely influenced Berkshire Hathaway's decision to add it to their portfolio. By investing in Citigroup, Berkshire Hathaway gains exposure to a major player in the banking industry. Citigroup is a renowned global bank with a wide range of financial services, including consumer banking, institutional banking, and investment banking. With a presence in over 100 countries, the bank serves millions of customers worldwide. Its diversified operations and global reach provide potential for long-term stability and growth. And there you have it, Warren Buffett's recent stock purchases provide valuable insights into his investment strategy. By studying these selections, we gain knowledge that can help us become better investors ourselves. That's a wrap for today's video, but the excitement doesn't stop here. Get ready for more mind-blowing content coming your way. We'll be pumping out videos 3 to 5 times per week, so buckle up for an exhilarating ride. Drop your comments below with your topic requests because we want to hear from you. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Stay tuned for the next thrilling episode on Stock Marketpedia, where we make stocks sizzle.